Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are back again with another amazing video, and today we have another login and registration UI kit, and that is basically a very beautiful design. So let's take a look of that design first. And here the first screen is the onboarding screen, or you can say a splash screen, and then we have an onboarding screen, explore the world easily, and that these are three screen, basically the onboarding screen you have. Okay, and next after the once onboarding screen is completed, and then you have an login screen over there. Okay, and user will click on the next button, and also the registration screen over there. Okay, and once the user will register, it will also navigate to the verification screen where it received OTP on their email the user will enter. So so once all that done, then user will navigate to the welcome screen. So that is the all UI design of an app. So you can build that app in whatever the framework you want to use or technology you want to use. So that is a Figma file, and you will find the download link of that Figma file in the pin comment or in the description. So if you want other design, make sure to check out the description and do visit flutterstuff.com and follow and subscribe to the flutterstuff.com for such kind of an amazing designs. So we will meet in the next video. Stay tuned.